First, choose a sprite. Choose your favorite character. Choose a sprite. Select ball. Choose a backdrop. Choose your favorite background. Variables. Make a variables. New variable's name, score. New variable's name, live. Events, when clicked. Motion, go to X, Y. Variables, set score to 0. Set live to 1. Loops, switch costume to Wolfoo. Events, one space key pressed. Controls, repeat 12, repeat 12. 11, motion, change Y by 15, change Y by minus 15. Loops, switch costume big, Wolfoo. Switch costume big, Wolfoo. Sound, start sound. Select your favorite sound. Programming the egg. Motion, go to X, Y. Glide 1 second to X, Y. We move the ball to the other side. Automatically, the parameter will also change. Return glide 1 second to X, Y, return. If Y is equal, the ball will not run in all directions. Glide 2.5 seconds to X, Y. Events, when clicked. Variables, change score by 1. Controls, forever. Events, when clicked. Control, wait until. Sensing, touching, Wolfoo. Variables, change live by -1. Events, broadcast stop. When I receive, stop. Control. Stop. Other script in Sprite. Try it out. Let's add one more ball. Loops. Hide show. Controls. Wait 1 second. Back away Wolfoo. Events. When I receive, stop. Loops. Switch big costume, Wolfoo 2. Sounds. Start sound. Choose a favorite sound. Control. Stop. Other scripts in the sprite. If then. Operators. Life is greater than 0. Flashing backdrop, game over. 30. Backdrop, select the background. Text, game over. Typeface. Color. Events, when clicked. Loops, switch backdrop to A1. Events. When I receive, stop. Loops, switch backdrop to A2. Control. Repeat. 5. Wait 0.2 seconds. Loops, switch backdrop to A1. control. Wait 0.2 seconds. If then. Operators. Life is equal to 0. So we have completed this game. You can make other characters that you love. See you in the next games. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share. Goodbye.